Today I'm going to show you how to make cream-filled chocolate cupcakes. The cupcakes are filled and frosted using only whipped cream, no butter needed. So let's start by adding the vinegar into the milk, which is going to make us some buttermilk. The buttermilk will help to make the cupcakes moist and not dry. Next up, sift the flours into a bowl along with the cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Add in the sugar into it and give it a mix. Into a separate bowl, mix together the egg, buttermilk, oil, and vanilla extract. You can use a whisk and keep mixing until everything is well combined. Pour the dry ingredients into the wet and gently fold it in until there are no more traces of the flour. Line a cupcake pan with cupcake liners and fill them up 3/4 of the way. I like to use an ice cream scoop, but you can use whatever you want. Once all the liners have been filled, place them in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the cupcakes are done, let them cool down, and meanwhile, let's make the whipped cream filling. As you might know, regular whipped cream tends to collapse within a short time and isn't sturdy enough to frost. For the whipped cream today, we'll use some vanilla pudding mix, which will keep the cream sturdy for hours. In a large cup, whip together the heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla pudding mix until you have stiff peaks. Once the cupcakes have cooled down to room temperature, they're ready to be filled. I'm using this piping tip here, but you can just cut out a hole on top of the cupcake and fill it with the cream. Into the leftover cream, add the heavy cream, sugar, pudding mix, and cocoa powder for the frosting. Mix it together until you have stiff peaks, after which you're ready to frost the cupcakes. I'm not a decorating expert, so mine don't look as gorgeous, but the taste is still amazing. Keep these refrigerated until they're ready to be served, and they will stay at room temperature for hours. If you want to see more mouth-watering recipes, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.